Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 21 of snowing through my minis in January. So I'm so excited that we keep making really good strides every week, but I think today we have very close to finishing 2. So as long as we can get through the whole thing, I think we'll finish at least 2. Fingers crossed. All right, so we have Brian here and Let It Snow Somewhere Else. Got my D3 and I've got $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7 in a very full binder. All right, so let's put $7 in our minis bank. And then we'll get our prop coins out. I'm thinking I might stick with $7 again for next month. It seems to be working. I was going to go down to 6, but I was like, oh, it's a shorter month. I don't know if I need to go down to 6, but I don't know. Still haven't had the conversation with Babe, so I'll know as it gets a little bit closer to the end of the month. All right, so let's begin. Let's do a little shuffle of the cards. So I'm going to roll a D3, and whatever number it is how many prop coin cards it will get. And if we finish anything, we'll take anything out of our prop bank or our minis bank and put it in completed. And the reason why I put it in the back for completed is because at the end of the month, I'm going to do a little randomizer or left, right, center to divide up the savings into 3 or more specific categories. So once again, we'll know as it gets a little bit closer. All right, starting at 4. 3. It closed. That was funny. Okay. And 3 again. See, I think I jinxed it yesterday. Oh, there we go. 6 gets 1. 7 gets 1. That might help. 8 gets 2. 9 gets 1. 10 gets 1. 1 for 1. 2 for 2. Everybody, say it with me. Nothing. Don't say anything. It didn't work. 2 for 3. Oh my goodness. 3 for, okay. 4's doing just fine. All right, and then the last one's going to go to 5. So we will just start at number 6 next time. All right. Scoot that little guy out of the way. All right, so we are going to start at number 1, which got 25 cents. Do I have my pen around here? Yes. All right, this one is from Amy by Nature. So we can mark off 1 more planet. So 50 more cents, and then that one will be done. And then 75 cents is going into number 2. This one is from Budgeting with Bree 1487 on Ko-fi. And we got 75. So 25, 50, and 75. So we still need $1.25 to finish that one. All right, 50 cents going into number 3. So how is your day going? Oh, we just needed 25. Yay, let's get that bread. We finished $3 with that 25 cents. Let's get an extra. Let's see, what is this one? This is from Greta at Agape Book Club. No matter what it says, everything's going to be 25 cents. We get to mark off an acorn. I think that's an acorn. Yeah, I think so. I didn't used to always live in a desert, but okay, so that's $1. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Number 4 got $2.50 or $2.25. Whew. All right, of any of the ones that needed it, this would have been a good one. All right, so we have 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. So we have 50 more cents, and this one's done. That really helped that one along. All right, so number 5 got $1. And this one is from Budget with Carly. We just got it last week, so we're starting it today. So 25, 50, 75, $1. This will save us $3. Candy corn needs a little bat. That's so cute. Okay, and then number 6 got 25 cents. Oops. And this one is But First Champagne from Pink Plum Budgeting. And we can mark off one more box. Got this in some Happy Mail. Absolutely love it. All right, and then number 7 got 25 cents. Most Excellent Adventure from Bill and Ted. This is from Financial Dreams with Christine. So we can mark off one more phone booth. Look at baby Keanu Reeves. He's such a baby. All right, 75 cents is going into number 8. Ooh, we have from Savings with Tracy, so we can do 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Ooh, 75 cents going into 9. Oh, we just needed 25. So this is the one from Hey K Budgets. This will save $5. We only needed 25. So I'm going to put that 50 cents there so I remember what we need. And what's this one? Ooh, Summer. This is from Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do 2 spots. And that is done. And then last but not least, number 10 has 25 cents. This is from Danny at Craftco Budgets. 25. All right, so we finished 2. Yay. So let's go to our bank. So we needed $5 and $3. So we need $8. Seeing if there's any 5s in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then put our prop coins away. And then we can go to the back. All right, $8 going in there, and then 2 more added to that. Super fun. All right, so I will see you tomorrow for another day of snowing through my minis, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.